Hi there guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today's video, I think it's
that
obvious.
Time. That's we all be waiting for.
Exactly, that's we all been waiting for, guys. A random winner. We
Yes.
decided to use the default for the stickers. This is a default for the stickers to pick a winner, guys.
Yes.
Okay, this giveaway consists of this coin.
Yes,
the
Britannia 2020.
The 2020, guys. Okay, it consists of this coin and the shout out for the shout out video. Okay, for the shout out video.
American Eagle 2020.
The American Eagle 2020. Hey, flipping these coins. Okay.
You're not getting
it's a
used
mission.
To.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's flip it here. Okay, guys. Yeah.
You got it.
That and this commemorative coin, guys. Yes. That goes with the shout out.
Yes, South African coin.
South African coins, guys.
Right,
coin,
education
guys.
Coin.
Yes, guys. Okay, every giveaway will come with the sticker, guys.
A beautiful sticker.
Oh yes. A beautiful sticker, guys.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
We could have a difficult by shipping.
Oh yeah. Almost forgot about that, guys. The winner, guys. The winner for whichever one.
These
two. The winner, guys. If we find it, because we don't want to keep it, guys, and ship it later. So the winner, whoever wins, if we find difficulties shipping it to your destination, okay, we will ask you to just give us a place,
where you normally buy,
web page where you normally buy your coins. Okay, for an example, if you win this one, if you are a winner of this one, you just give us a place. Okay,
we're gonna order it for you.
We'll order and put the tracking number and put your address instead of ours, so they ship it straight to you. To be like a drop shipping.
Yes.
In short, to be like a drop shipping.
Yeah.
Okay. If we find difficulty sending it to your place.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Okay. All right. If it's for the shout out video, same thing applies, guys. If we can't send it to your destination, you just give us a place where you normally buy your bullion, and then we use that place, and then they will ship it to you like a drop shipping, guys. Okay, they will ship it to you, and then this one for the shout out will come with the sticker. We do by all means that it comes with the sticker, because we don't want these things to be delayed. Maybe this one can delay with the sticker, because usually it takes long for you to receive your stuff, but we will notify you, and we once we go and send them. Yeah, we will send the tracking number and put your address, and then they will ship it to you. If ever we find difficulties shipping to your destination. Okay, that is out of the way.
Yeah, and the giveaways, since we have reached 200.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Since we have reached 200, we wouldn't have done it without the community, guys. We wouldn't have had a sticker if it weren't for the community, guys. Okay, it would not have been really possible if it was not for the community, guys. You guys supported us. Really appreciate it, guys. We're on 200. It's because of all of you, guys.
All of you.
Yes, we are on 200.
So we're not stopping. We're going to 300 now.
Yeah, I think we'll soon have another giveaway after this one for 300.
It's done already. We're going for 300.
Yeah, no, so guys, we'll have
we're
another
gonna announce
giveaway.
The gift.
Yeah, we will announce another giveaway. It will be similar to this one, but I think a little bit more.
Yeah.
It
should be more.
It should be more, guys, because it should be similar to this one.
Yeah.
But a little bit
Should
more
be
guys.
more.
Okay, all right. We will announce on an upcoming video
Yes,
when
yes.
we're ready to do it, guys. Okay, all right.
And
but
the
it's going to be
randoms are
soon.
still on.
Yes, guys. That suggestion about silver conundrum, the randoms
Giveaways
giveaway
are
are
still on.
on, guys. We're gonna just do them
Randomly.
on
Random
any video anytime,
is-
guys. We will have a giveaway.
Make sure you comment and subscribe
Yes,
in any video.
Yes, guys. Okay,
Alright, let's get it.
let's get to it, guys.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
This
you
one I
say-
think is for the Britannia.
Oh yeah. Okay. This one, the random giveaway, is for this one.
Yes.
This is the
rules
prize
are
for here.
supposed to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes,
And
guys.
leave a comment.
Those were the rules, guys. Okay, if you did all that,
You're safe.
you are safe. You will be picked. You have a chance.
Yes.
Okay. All
yes.
right.
Let's see.
Hey, focusing.
The
Focusing.
camera.
All right. Thank you, camera. Almost ruined everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the address, guys, of the video. This was the video. Let's get the address of it. Okay,
Copy.
we copy and we go there, and I think they say you paste. This is our first time doing
this.
but we always see it on the channels how they do it. They
I
say
think you
that.
need to cancel the other one.
Which ones?
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
And they say filter duplicate. Okay, all right then,
get
guys, and let's
comment.
see how many comments did we received, and then you say get comments.
68.
68, guys. Okay, chances are not bad. Chances are not really bad, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just get to
Anyone
it, guys.
can win.
Yeah, anyone can win. Okay,
Yes.
let's just click start.
Oh, who's the winner?
Who is the winner?
Oh,
I don't want to butcher this name, guys. Aquaman.
It's PGH.
PGH Aquaman, guys.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. He's just said comment. It said new sub, my friend. So
It's
a
all-
new
Sub.
sub and he won, guys. Okay.
Yes, congratulations.
PGH Aquaman, guys. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Hopefully, congrats to you.
Yes.
We're happy that you won.
Yes.
This is your prize.
Coming on your way.
It's
Send
coming
us
on
an
your way.
address.
Just send us
And
an
then-
email.
Yeah.
An email,
Yes.
with your details, and then we will ship it to you. We'll communicate. Okay, if you find that we can't ship to your address as you mentioned, you will give us a place where you normally purchase your
Yeah.
coins, and then we will send it to you like a drop shipping. Okay. All right, guys, let's move to the shout out videos, guys. The ones that did the shout out.
They were so beautiful.
Okay, yeah, very, very
They were
beautiful.
so beautiful.
Let me just take this name down first
Yeah.
before I start looking all over for it.
The video will always be there.
Oh, the video will always be there. I forgot about that one. Okay, let's go. It's our first time, eh? You forget. Okay, let's go to the shout out, guys.
Video.
Okay, these are the people that did a shout out, guys, and they notified us of them. We watched them from top to bottom. They were all beautiful, guys. Okay,
On point. Yeah.
nice, guys. We enjoy them.
Really
and,
appreciate it.
yes, thank you so much, guys. Okay, for this video, this is the giveaway.
Yes, it comes with
This one, the ASE. Hey, all right. No, get the hang of it. We get the hang of it. Let me show you. I told you, I get the hang of it. Okay, all right, guys. This is it comes it's a ASE. It comes with this commemorative coin, guys.
Yes.
Okay. This is the prize giveaway for here. Beautiful, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Let's pick a winner. Okay.
Let's see.
The rules for this one, it's not elimination, guys. Whoever it lands on that will be the winner, guys. So not like eliminating
one
by one. Whoever it lands on, you will be the winner.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your shout outs. They were beautiful, guys. We
so
really
much.
love them. Okay, let's go to it. I think they say click. On the next one will be much better and fast. Okay, thanks. Let's see.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Congratulations,
Saj. 27271. I don't believe this. Okay.
Mr. Bambi.
Hey, Mr. Bambi. Hey, too bad. Sorry, it won't be a Bambi.
Coming on your way.
It won't be a Bambi coming your way, my friend.
I wish it was
It
a
will
Bambi.
be ASE. Not a Bambi.
Yes.
I sorry, tell the wife you won't be getting the Bambi. You'll be
Yeah.
getting the ASE along with this one.
Yes.
Guys, this commemorative coin, guys. Okay, it will come along with this and the sticker, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, again, congrats 27-1. Hey, guys. Okay, Saj, we so excited you won as well. We're very happy, my friend.
Yes.
I know you are subscribed. I know that's for a fact.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I think today's video was just
all
about
about
that.
this, yes.
Okay, all right, guys. Another giveaway
It's
coming soon.
It's
Soon.
really coming.
Soon. It's on its way.
Random and at 300.
Yeah, well, random would just be any time.
Yes.
Then we will do the 300.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thanks
Thank
again
you.
to all our subscribers. We really appreciate.
Yes. Don't
yes.
forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Yes, guys. Don't forget to do all that combination, guys.
Yes.
That's a combination, guys. A winning combination. Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks
we
a
have
lot.
to.
We really appreciate, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.